The Brabus Rocket 900R on base of the 992 911 Turbo S. This is one of the best Porsche conversions. Listen to this. Hello guys, I am Mr. Automotive and today it's time to welcome you with this. Right in front of us, ladies and gentlemen, is a Brabus. But not just any Brabus. This here is the Brabus Rocket 900R on base of the 992 911 Turbo S. And in today's video I want to show you this one-of-one masterpiece built in Bottrop by Brabus in Germany. This car was actually presented at the Brabus Signature Night a few months ago, and luckily one of my closest friends, he bought the car. So we will be seeing quite a lot of this car in the future on this channel, hopefully. Yeah, this car looks absolutely fantastic. So what they've done on this one is, obviously they have the wide body Rocket R kit installed. We have a 900 horsepower power upgrade. And when you have a closer look on the car, everything is finished in green. You have a sneak preview in the inside already, the outside with a green finish, and we have the matching green carbon fiber exposed gloss finish, which looks absolutely fantastic and make this car look so unique. Personally, I think this is one of the best Porsche conversions based on the 992 Turbo S, and I think Brabus has managed to build a car that looks almost made from factory. If you just look at all the additional parts and all the finishing, the build material, the quality of the conversion in general, you would say this car comes straight from Weissach, from Porsche, from Zuffenhausen, whatever, guys. This looks so clean. I love the way they did it. And today we will be talking about everything in detail. So let's get it on. The exterior paint is actually called Mean Green. And what they have done is they have painted all the carbon fiber parts also in green to match the exterior color. And to finish it all off, we also have a green interior finish. So what Brabus has done here is absolute perfection. It's a wider body, 992 Turbo S, power upgrade all the way up to 900 horsepower, made in Bottrop. All these body panels and parts been done, engineered by Brabus, full carbon fiber but fully painted. You can also see the way they did it here with the additional rear ducktail, making this look absolutely fantastic. Also design-wise, looks pretty cool, very decent, yet again extremely sporty. We have the Brabus specific exhaust here, pretty nice, carbon fiber all around. We have the Brabus details also here on the rear. Looks so good. I am a huge fan of the way they did it. And the Rocket R always comes with these wheels. So the wheel caps here, actually there's a central lock here, which is I think just the cover. We have the aero ring here all around, it's finished in carbon fiber. I love that. And the wheel has been painted in green to match the exterior paint. Yeah, in total 22 inches here, makes the car look absolutely perfect. Also the wheel housing is finished in Kevlar. It's something that the CTO of Brabus here in Ganda loves to use. It's his signature move and I'm a huge fan of it. Here I have the key for you. Just look at that. Surprise, surprise, also finished in green to match with the inside. Opening the door, let's jump inside and let me show you more of the interior. Right in the inside, let me just close the door. And wait, before I actually close the door, just look at that. The entire door panel is finished in green Alcantara. And as if it wasn't already good enough, they've added some leather here with perforation. Lovely finish, Alcantara with the piping, the stitching, also in green, some carbon fiber details. Also these parts, the door handles, whatever, has been removed, repainted and reinstalled. Also in the inside you will find a few more buttons that have been removed and reinstalled again. In the inside, everything from scratch has been built, so they have removed literally the entire Porsche stock interior and have added their Brabus masterpiece interior here. The seat looks so good with the Brabus double B here on the headrest. We have the Brabus masterpiece badge here as well. The seat in general with the leather and the Alcantara looks so fantastic. Even the steering wheel here, round finished leather, top and bottom side is finished in Alcantara. The airbag cover, I'm not the biggest fan of that. I wish we had something Porsche emblem or whatever here, but also the Brabus emblem looks pretty okay. We have some carbon fiber details all around. Here also on the steering wheel frame. Also here on the center console, a lot more carbon fiber. The carbon fiber looks a bit scratched. Someone scratched it, man. Because yeah, the car is coming straight from the Brabus signature night, and yeah, they had a lot of guests. I think plus 1,000 guests sitting inside, touching the car from the outside, and yeah, that's how the car looks. But it will be finished right before delivery, final quality checks and finishes, and then it's time to go to the customer. Actually, the car is staying in Germany, and that's what I really like. And the car will be driven. You will see a lot of this car in the future. I will keep the door open because I will be starting it up in 3, 2, 1. Ay, 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 with the Porsche emblem right over there. And the engine turning on in 3, 2, 1. Here you go. Listen to this. Nice sound. Let me jump outside and also give you a sound check from the outside. So now we will be hearing the sound from the outside. 3, 2, 1, listen to this. I mean, it's a turbo-based car, 992 model. The base car sound is already okay. I think this car is more about performance and power. So I'm not a fan of the sound because I like the V8 more, obviously. But I have to say, the car looks so good, so classy. The sound is okay. The power and performance, that's what I'm wondering about. I can't wait to drive this and feel the power of this car, maybe on the German Autobahn. Can't wait to show you more. How do you guys like the color of this? How do you like the exhaust sound and the inside combination? Please leave it in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.